In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add back-in-stock alerts in Shopify. If customers keep landing on sold-out products, a simple Notify Me button can save the sale by letting them subscribe for alerts when items are available again. The easiest way to add this is with a dedicated back-in-stock app. Start by heading to the Shopify App Store and searching for back-in-stock. You'll see several options. Choose a reputable one such as the Res Back-in-Stock app. Take a moment to check ratings, pricing, and any limits on notifications. Click to install and approve the permissions so the app can display a button on your product pages. Once it's installed, open the app from your Shopify admin and go to its settings. Look for the option to enable the Notify Me button on sold-out products. Most apps can automatically detect when a product or a specific variant is out of stock, so make sure it's enabled for both product and variant levels, if your catalog has sizes or colors. Next, customize the button so it feels native to your store. Update the button text to something clear like Notify Me when available, and match your brand colors and font. If the app provides a pop-up or inline form, adjust the wording to set expectations, such as how you'll contact customers and roughly when alerts are sent once inventory is replenished. Also, check the button placement. Underneath the Add to Cart area is a common and effective spot. Now set your notification preferences. Decide whether you'll collect email addresses, phone numbers, or both. Many apps let you connect your existing email marketing provider to keep subscribers in one place, and some offer SMS as well. If you use SMS, ensure you have consent language and follow your region's compliance rules. You can often choose when alerts go out, such as immediately on restock or only when stock reaches a certain quantity. When everything looks good, save and publish your changes. The app will automatically display the Notify Me button on out-of-stock products and handle sending alerts when items are replenished. It's a good idea to preview your storefront to confirm the button appears on sold-out items and that the form works as expected. If your app includes analytics, check which products collect the most requests so you can prioritize restocks and gauge demand. That's it. With a few clicks, you've added a simple tool that restores lost revenue, improves customer experience, and gives you valuable insight into what shoppers want back on your shelves.